Cyclomethicone oil is the best solution I have found for getting my bath bombs out of the mold in one piece. While it's not the cheapest item, a little bit goes a long way. It typically sells for about $10 to $17 for 16 ounces, and I feel that the cost is well worth the benefits. Cyclomethicone is a silicone fluid that dries quickly. It's often used in lotions and creams to add slippage. This ingredient was a game changer for me because I no longer experience a panic-stricken, I can't get my bath bomb out, because they come out so easily now. I have found two ways to apply cyclomethicone to my molds. Either method should be done immediately before adding your mixture to the molds. The first method is to pour a little bit into your mold and swirl around to cover the entire inside surface, then discard the excess. The second is to pour a small amount into a little bowl and use a paintbrush to lightly cover the inside of the mold. Both of these methods are very easy and are well worth the extra step. If you have any questions about how to use cyclomethicone, please let me know.